Okay, this is your basic 1800 PSI pressure washer. It's electric. It has 3 nozzles on it. One for soaping, a 40-degree nozzle and a 15-degree nozzle. I'm using 15. The 40 isn't very effective unless you're just cleaning. I want to show you what you should expect out of one of these electric power washers. You can see this neck is pretty matte. It's very slippy. But basically I want to show you what's gonna happen. I haven't treated it with anything. So I'm just going to show you what the power washer will do without any kind of treatments or just pure power. Okay, that's basically what you can expect. It's going to take you some time. The bigger the neck you have, the more time it's going to take to clean it. So, the power washer is effective, but fatal is spending some time doing the work. It doesn't really work that fast. So that's basically what you can expect out of this model. No, it's not like the 3500 PSI gas-powered ones, but I'd have to recommend it if you have time and you need to clean your neck. Okay, thank you. Okay, I've taken some time and I did some washing on the neck. What's nice about this power washer is it doesn't harm your wood. But as I said before, it takes a little bit more time than if you had a higher pressure washer. So that's what you can expect out of one of these pressure washers when you're cleaning your neck.